Let's discover our color of the week. Can you guess what color we will be looking at today? Is it green? Blue? Red? Wait, let me give you a clue. What color is this? The letter T is blue. Our color of the week is blue. Okay, now let's put our pencil case back, sing our color song, and color the letter. Wait a second. And color the letter T. Blue. Let's sing the song. Blue is the color of my pencil. Blue is the color of my pencil. Blue is the color of my pencil. It's blue, blue, blue. Yes, it's blue. So now let's go and color the letter T. Blue. Look, it's a turtle. Turtle starts with the letter T. We will be coloring our letter T. Oh no, wait, not green. The turtle is green, but we will color our letter T. Which one? Blue. That's what we'll use. We will use the color blue. Let's color our letter T blue. There's our letter T. It's blue. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter T. T is for turtle. This is a green turtle. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter T. Don't worry if you colored outside the lines. With practice, soon you'll be coloring within the lines. I hope you had a good time. I will see you next time.